Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A72 with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that the phone used in this video is not actually A72. However, for educational and demo purpose, this Samsung phone is used and don't worry about it. Let's learn how you can go for screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A72 with any Android TV. First of all, make sure that you have connected to a common Wi-Fi. That is, both your TV and phone should be connected to a common Wi-Fi. Okay, so go to your phone and go to Wi-Fi section of your phone and see what Wi-Fi is used in your phone. Here Thurai 5G Wi-Fi is used in my phone. The same Thurai 5G Wi-Fi should also be used in TV too. Okay, so go to your TV now. Go to your TV and select the settings of your TV there. Go to your TV and select settings and go to network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi and see the available signal. Here also I have selected Thurai 5G and it is connected. So my TV is also connected to Thurai 5G, the same Wi-Fi network. So both phone and TV are now connected to a common Wi-Fi called Thurai 5G. You can also create mobile hotspot from your phone and the same mobile hotspot can be connected to your TV too for doing a screen mirroring. Okay, let's learn next step. Now come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and search for Google Home app. Just go to the search bar and type here Google Home app. Just type and Google Home app will be showing in the search result. Just click on install here and so that it will be installing. Just wait few seconds for downloading and installing. If it is taking longer time, you should have faster internet connection to have faster download. Okay, yes, it is downloaded and finished, and open Google Home app after installing. Okay, yes, it is done, and now click on get started. Click on get started and just follow the on-screen instructions. Whatever it is asking, just give next and give permission. Here you go to give any email ID, but that email ID should also be used in your TV. So the same email ID should be used for both phone and TV too. So select the appropriate email ID here. This is the email ID that I have already associated this email ID with my TV too. So I have selected it and click on OK. And now click on next and give permission and click on next and giving permission, and it is asking enabling location services through your settings. So it is not actually needed, so I skip it. So you can also skip here and click on devices here so that TV device will be appearing here in the name of Android TV. Yes, it is appeared here, and just click on it so that you can go for the next step to screen mirroring. This is the final one, and just click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now to initiate screen mirroring. Yes, it is done. Yes, what exactly seen in my TV, that's also available in my phone. That is, a phone screen is actually mirrored to TV. Okay, so if you would like to control volume from here itself, yes, you can do here. Okay, if you go out of this screen and if you go to any other screen, that screen also appearing in my TV. In your TV also it should be like that. Okay, and I open here Google Chrome, and yes, that's also seen in my TV. See, if you would like to control here volume, yes, you can do. What you have to do, you can use your TV remote. You cannot use here now Google Home app. If you open Google Home app, that will be the display. Okay, so if you would like to use other screen, and if you would like to control volume, use your remote, and that is a TV remote, and use plus symbol to increase volume and use minus symbol to decrease volume. In this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A72 with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.